Okay, number 5, another separable differential equation. Sorry for getting old on these, but there's only so many things to study, really. So we got a separable differential equation. It's a weight of a bird. This is the rate at which the bird's weight is changing. At times t equals 0, his weight is 20. The first question was, is he growing faster when he's 40 pounds or when he's 70? So you just plug those two numbers into the rates. Plug in 40, you get 12. Plug in 70, you get 6. That's the rate at which they're growing, so it's growing faster at 40 pounds. Next question said, find the second derivative. Just like the problem we did earlier on this one, it's an implicit differentiation. 1/5, that's a constant, just negative b, so 1/5 times negative b prime, but this is b prime, right? So we plug that back in, very similar to the problem earlier in the packet. We get negative 1/25 times 100 minus b. Next question said this was the picture of b. Use that second derivative to explain why that can't be b. And so concavity, if you look at this problem right here, 100 minus b, remember the most b is ever going to be is 100, so this number is always positive, which means that number multiplied by is always negative, which means the graph needs to be always concave down, which means it can't look like this because we got concave up and concave down, so it's not. And then last part of the problem is just solve it, very similar to one we just had on the other packet, so I'll go really quick. It's a separable differential equation. This comes over here. The only difference is you get this little negative sign because of that negative sign there, like the u substitution. So you get negative natural log 100 minus b equals 115 plus c multiplied by the negative 1, negative 115. You could call that minus c. I don't, but it's all going to work out the same in the long run. If you call it negative c, my c and your c will be opposites at the end. So I solve for b. I did that little trick with the exponents, e to the negative 115 times e to the c, calls it a c here. At time equals 0, the weight's 20, so there's a 20, makes a c equal to 80, and then plug it back in there. If you change that c here, your c would actually be negative 80 at this point, so it works out the same with that stuff.